Where do I enter tax forms 1098 ET or C in TaxAct Online? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to taxact.com. Then you want to click on the option of Sign In. On this sign in portal, enter your username, then enter your password and click on the Agree and Sign In option. Now, Form 1098E is student loan interest statement, which is issued by financial institutions such as bank or student loan services. Form 1098T is tuition statement. It is issued by eligible educational institutions such as colleges or university. Form 1098C is contributions of motor vehicles, boats and airplanes. It is issued by charitable organization that received qualified vehicle donations. To report your Form 1098E in the TaxAct program from within your TaxAct return, click on the Federal option, then click on the Education drop-down. Now select Student Loan Interest. Continue with the interview process to enter your information. In case of Form 1098T, you're going to find the option of Tuition and Fees under the section Income. For Form 1098C, you will generally find it in the Donations or Charitable Contributions section under Deductions. Follow the on-screen prompts in TaxAct to enter the information from your forms accurately. You may need to input details such as the amount of interest paid, tuition expenses, or details based on the form you are entering. After entering the information from your tax forms, carefully review your tax return to ensure accuracy. Once you have reviewed all the information and confirmed the information is accurate, you can proceed to save and file your tax return through TaxAct. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.